How to remember new English words forever. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Today, we will talk about how to remember new English words forever. Have you ever learned a word and then forgotten it the next day? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many English learners face this problem. But today, I will share a story that will help you understand how to remember words easily and never forget them again. The story of Alex. Alex is a 23-year-old student from Spain. He loves learning English, but he has a big problem. He always forgets new words. He writes them down, studies them, and even tries to use them in sentences, but after a few days, they disappear from his memory. Frustrated, Alex decides to find a better way. One day, he reads about a technique called spaced repetition. This method helps him review words at the right time before he forgets them. Excited, Alex starts using it. Soon, he notices a big difference. Words stay in his memory longer, and he can recall them easily. Alex's journey teaches us that there are simple and powerful ways to remember words forever. Let's explore these methods together. Step 1. Learn words in context. At first, Alex used to memorize words by writing long lists. But he quickly realized that this didn't work. The words felt disconnected, and he forgot them easily. Then, he changed his method. Instead of memorizing single words, he started learning words in context. He read English books, listened to stories, and watched movies. When he saw a new word, he wrote down the whole sentence. For example, instead of just writing delicious, he wrote, "This pizza is delicious." By doing this, Alex's brain started to connect words with real-life situations, making it easier to remember them. Step 2. Use spaced repetition. Alex discovered an amazing technique called spaced repetition. This method helps him review words at the right time, so he doesn't forget them. Here's how it works. When he learns a new word, he reviews it after one day. Then, he reviews it after 3 days. Then, after 1 week. Then, after 1 month. By doing this, the word stays fresh in his memory. He uses apps like Anki and Quizlet, which remind him when to review. Over time, words that were once difficult become easy to remember. Step 3. Connect words to your life. One of Alex's favorite tricks is to connect words to his daily life. When he learns the word coffee, he doesn't just read it. He says, "I drink coffee every morning." He also tries to imagine situations where he can use the word. If he learns sunny, he looks outside and says, "Today is a sunny day." By making words personal, they become stronger in his memory. Step 4. Use the words immediately. Alex used to write words in a notebook and never look at them again. But now, he knows that to remember a word, he must use it immediately. Whenever he learns a new word, he writes a sentence with it, uses it in a conversation, says it out loud. This makes the word active in his brain, and he never forgets it. Step 5. Turn learning into a game. Alex also found that learning English words doesn't have to be boring. He plays word games, watches English TV shows, and even challenges himself to describe objects around him in English. For example, when he walks in the park, he says, "I see a tall tree. The grass is green. The birds are singing." This fun approach makes learning more exciting and helps him remember words easily. Step 6. Be patient and keep practicing. At first, Alex wanted to learn 50 new words every day, but he realized that this was too much. He started with just 3 to 5 words per day, and this made learning easier. He also learned that repetition is key. Instead of learning 100 words quickly and forgetting them, he focused on learning a few words well and using them often. Now, after a few months, Alex can remember hundreds of words without any trouble. Alex's story teaches us that remembering new words forever is possible. You just need the right methods. Learn words in context. Use spaced repetition. Connect words to your life. Use words immediately. Make learning fun. Be patient and keep practicing. By following these steps, you will never forget English words again. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on learning English. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.